the first divisional battle of the year. Jags play host to the Tennessee Titans in an AFC South battle.
You down and I got you. You say you need me, I got you. 20, you need me, I got you. Hey, we all dependable on each other, dog.
Back at the bank, baby.
Hey, the Mission Gang at home. Cut up or lay down.
The Jaguars, I think, are the clear favorite in this ballgame, and many people, after last week's win against the Patriots, expect them to thump the Titans.
Hey, look, we all know what this game means, all right? Let's set the tone in the division. Let's go on the AFC South. Fly around, have fun, and no matter what, let's stay together.
Confident now. Confident. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go out, sure tackling. Let's get that ball out. Let's go. Yep, I got you.
Jags are showing blitz. Boy, they're all walked up in there, and they're all coming. It's an all-out blitz, and they're going to swarm him. Jacksonville got him inside the 15. They sent everybody on the roster that time. Calais Campbell did the damage, and they'll have to punt it away. Logan Cook stands outside of his 30-yard line. It's a fake. They're going to hand the ball to Corey Grant. He tries to keep his feet. He got hit one time. He's not going to get there. They ran a fake punt and ran a reverse to Corey Grant. Jags blitz. Pump fake. They're going to get him, and he gets away, and now they get him on the ground. Looked like he was going to get out of there, but he could not. Telvin Smith grabbed his leg and tripped him up. It'll be a sack all the way back to the 45-yard line. Dropping the throw. They're going to hit him again. They're going to sack him again. Now a flag came out. The ball is loose, and Jacksonville has recovered it. But there is a flag down.
Prior to the fumble, personal foul, defense number 97, lowering the head to initiate contact. 15-yard penalty from the previous spot, automatic, first down.
Kern gets it down. Suck up kicks it up, and the field goal is good, and the Titans strike first here at TIAA Bank Field.
We just got to go now, all right? Just forget whatever happened. Up to this point, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go now. One play at a time now. Let's go. One play at a time. Let's go.
There's the give to TJ. Tries to bounce it outside, turns the corner. Yes, he does. Gets all the way out to near midfield. That's a terrific run by TJ Yeldon to the 49-yard line of the Tennessee Titans. Lambeau tries to tie the game. Cook gets it down. Lambeau's kick is up. And the field goal attempt is good. Josh Lambeau good from 46 yards. The give to Henry running to the left. They're going to hit him in the backfield. Great work by the Jaguars front. He needed a yard. He lost 2 or 3. And the Titans are going to have to punt it right back to Jacksonville.
That might be the greatest play I've ever seen Yannick Ngakoue make against the run.
Gets it down. Suckup kicks it up. And he missed it badly. Short and right. The kick is no good. So we go to the half. The Jags dodge a bullet. Jacksonville 3, Tennessee 3.
Dig deep right now. Let's go get the ball back.
Go on the field.
And the give is to Henry. He's going to get hit in the backfield. Nice work that time by that Jaguars front. Calais Campbell, who else? Got him at the 15-yard line. Drops the throw. The Jags blitz. They're going to get there. They're going to sack him. Calais Campbell got him in the backfield, and they will force a field goal attempt from the Tennessee Titans.
Big time play by a big time player.
He gets it down. Suckup kicks it up. And this field goal is good. The 36-yarder is good. And the Titans have taken a lead.
We need more. We need more from everybody. Get your minds right. Let's go. Only team that hurts us is us. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's put one together now. One play at a time. Let's go.
Let's get ready to roll. Let's go, baby.
4 down territory perhaps. Long field goal perhaps if they don't make it. 3rd and a yard. They give it to Yeldon. Never mind. He's got it to the 30-yard line. Bounced off a defender. Got it all the way to the 25-yard line. First down for TJ Yeldon. Logan Cook will put it down. He does. Josh kicks it up. Josh Lambo's field goal, as always, is right down the middle, and Jacksonville has tied the game.
If I get one, you better get it, and I'm leading the charge.
Play fake. Mariota rolls left, got a man wide open. That ball's going to be caught by the tight end, knocked out of bounds. That is Stocker. Kern will hold it. He gets it down. Suckup kicks it up, and the kick is good. And with 4:06 to play, the Titans have taken a 9-6 lead over the Jaguars.
It's going to come down to us making plays. But you know something? It takes all 11. It takes all 11 doing exactly what you're supposed to do. And what? We play with great effort. That's the only thing you can control as a player is your effort. All right? Get back to that intensity, flying around. He ain't going to get on us. He ain't going to get on us if we fly around and do our job. That was a good stop. But, man, we're better than that.
3rd and 2, biggest play of the ball game. This is your chance here. You got to get him stopped. Lewis, the running back. He did keep it. Mariota kept it. He's got the first down and more. You guys called it. He kept it on his own read. He's an excellent runner all the way out to the 47-yard line.
Another walk off. Let's go. We have another opportunity. Let's do it.
8 seconds to play here from the 32-yard line. Blake throws it underneath. There's a lateral to Moncrief, and now it's just a rugby play. The ball is on the ground, fallen on by the Tennessee Titans, and they are going to come in here to TIAA Bank Field and beat the Jacksonville Jaguars 9-6.
Give credit to Tennessee. I mean, they beat us. We know we've got to score points against them, and we didn't score. And that's something that we've got to work on and do a better job of.